Catch it! Ball is in.
Not mucking about here. First ball, and he's off the mark. Oh, not able to connect there.
Yep.
They take a single.
Catch!
Warner gets off the mark.
Yes! Catch it!
They get back for two. Ends that over.
The first over, Australia are now on 7.
The right arm pace bowler is coming into the attack from the south end.
Yep. Yep. Yes! Wait. Yep.
Great bowling. Sneaks past off stump.
Yes!
Big shout for that one. That was well worth asking the question. This bowler knows how to give the ball an almighty tweak. Let's see how they go.
Yadav with a beauty.
Yep.
edges it.
Yep.
Yaddo has done well in that over.
Are now done for 23.
End of the innings and not a huge total to not a very big total to chase, and I suspect this match could be over very soon. This could be an embarrassing result.
Yep.
India start the innings with a single.
Yep.
Off the mark. First ball. Starting as he intends to proceed.
Yep. Yep. Catch it.
Oh, very nice there from Warner. What a delivery. Draws the edge.
Did they nick that?
This is an important wicket and out cheaply.
The batsmen making their way back to the pavilion got behind for 5. The right-hander is coming into bat at number 3 for India.
So the new batsman is at the crease.
Yeah.
Well, they didn't expect to be batting this early. Just not warmed up, perhaps.
The bowler is now on a hat-trick with that wicket. The right-hander is coming into bat at number 4 for India.
The right arm medium bowler is coming on to bowl from the north end.
Yep. Catch it.
A well fielded, really good work out there.
And he's off the mark.
Yep. Yep.
One run there. And they get a single there. That's quite a good over.
Second over, the batting team are now on 11 for
Green has been handed the ball for this final over.
So heading into the final over of the innings, going to bring out some more of the creative shots I'd expect.
Yep. Yep.
That's edged.
Terrific shot, timed superbly, and it goes for 4. Quick to react and takes it.
the dismissed batsman on down for man. The score is now 17 for 3. The right-handed batsman is coming in at number 5 for
Yadav about to face their first ball. You don't get much better than that. Just some superb